Hello guys, SQL injection subverting application logic, and this is Portswigger Pop Suite lab. So let's get started. So let me just go and open this lab in some other page, and let me access the lab, and then you will see that this is the website where we need to log in ourselves as the administrator for this page. So let's get started. So let me configure Bob suite, and my Bob suite is already running. You can see my Bob suite is already running, and if you input configure the settings, and let's do login. Let's type administrator, because it's the administrator. We want to log in into this website as the administrator because he has special rights over our website, but we don't know his password, and we don't want to brute force the password in this website. So what we can do is maybe we can try something like 123, and it doesn't work, showing invalid username or password. So in Burp Suite, now let me turn the interceptors on, and I put this as administrator again, and the password as 123, and load. You can see this request has now come to Burp Suite, and this is the username which I am trying, and this is the password which I am trying. So whichever username I actually give an input is going to an SQL query. For example, here you can see select all from customers, where city is equal to London and customer ID is equal to 4. So here you can imagine city as username and customer ID as password. So just as you can see over here, it is giving me this result. So now what should I input over here so that these lines, this password line doesn't work, because I don't know the password. So maybe rather than the input London, right now, for example, I am giving administrator as the input. So for example, rather than putting the input as administrator or London in over here, if I'll put in single quote extra and to dash dash, what happened now is that all of this part of the query won't run because it has been commented out. And now if you'll see, if I'll run it, rather than one record, okay, I need to forward this request, and so as you can see, rather than one, I can see 6 requests which are coming away. So this is what we are actually planning to do, is in this website, rather than the username as administrator and the password which we don't know, I'll put administrator single colon dash dash, which will remove the rest of the passwords, just like over here I showed you, like single quote, like this is administrator, then there is single quote dash dash, and it will just comment out all of the password section. So here let me turn intercept on, and let me try to log in. So rather than this, I'll just do login in here. I'll get the request over here, and let's just do administrator single quote dash dash, and let's forward this request, and let's see where are we. Hello administrator, congratulations, we have solved this lab, and right now we have entered into the website as the administrator. So thank you guys, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.